Solutions can I explain?
You actually that will depend on you. Not required all the tenses. You can explain any one thing. कोई भी टॉपिक लेना आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. कोई भी एनी वन दैट यू कंफर्ट बेटर अच्छी तरह से आप बता पाओगे. In any field. Not like that. We have just we learn. जो आपने सीखे वही टॉपिक. हाँ?
Tense revise करो.
Okay. So there is a duster and chalk there that needs to carry on.
Okay, good morning. My name is Suresh and I will teach about normal tenses and I will explain about in detail which is present continuous tense.
Loudly.
Present continuous tense.
Hmm.
Then before we start there, I will give some details about tenses. What is tenses and where we can use the tense. So tense. There are three main tenses, which is present tense, past tense, and future tense, which is used in daily routines. Not daily routines means there are three main tenses, and each and every tense have four subtenses. And total we have 12 tenses to communicate with each other in English. Okay, then we can write first of all. First is present tense. Anyone please give me the definition of present tense? Can you give it?
Present tense means that this daily present tense is you can say that it's a current time. It shows current time, the current routine, current action.
Can you give me an example?
Like I'm studying right now, so I'm doing it. Okay.
Okay.
I'm eating the khana khana. I'm eating some foods. It's present time.
Okay. There are four subtenses of present tense, and also second one is past. There are also four subtenses, and third one is future. There is also four subtenses. Okay, and four subtenses, which is first of all continuous tense means if we select the present tense, then present continuous tense. After that, past continuous tense, and third one is future continuous tense. Okay, this three all is continuous tense. It shows the which action is happening in like in present, like which action is happening right now. Like I am teaching you right now, and for past, which action is happening in the future, which action has happened in the past, and in the future which action is happening in the future. Okay, and second one is simple tense. Like simple means we can say that the simple is used mainly used in the daily routines to express the daily routines. And third one is perfect tense. For I can give you a definition which action is completed, uh, which action is completed recently or sometime ago. For express that sentence, we can use present perfect tense. And last one is present perfect continuous tense. Which action is going on past and same action is going on present. For express this sentence, we can use present perfect continuous tense. Then I will teach about only one tense, which is present continuous tense. We will focus on it only. Then uh, I can give it the definition which action is going on right now. Okay, and its formula is first of all subject plus ism, which is supported form, plus verb plus object plus other word. Okay, subject in subject only, like he, she, it, for explaining what is that object, who is that person. For express that person or anything, it's called subject. And ism is a supported form, like There are two types, singular and plural. In singular, I, you, he, she, it, and in plural, we, you, and they. Okay, this is singular and this is plural. Where we can use that is a mark that this thing will give us that for I we will use am, for we burning, are for he she it we use is, we are, you are, and they also are. Okay, means you can see that there is a one common are. For plural we can use only are, like I will give you an example. You are playing cricket. Okay, you can see that there is a one common. Okay, that is the supported form. That is the verb, which is means which action is doing you right now, and this is the object, means what are you doing right.
Yes. Finished. So what is your conclusion of this? When you are going to be end, then what to do? दोनों स्टक नहीं हो जा रहे हैं आपको फिर लास्ट में पूछना है कि if you got any doubts or any queries that you can ask me.
Okay, okay.
You don't be stuck immediately. You have to be continued.
That is pretty good. It's pretty
And can I explain another tense?
No, it is a good, but you can in the last you have to ये last में आपको क्या करना है कि जैसे हमने टॉपिक पूरा किया तो लास्ट में आपको पूछना है like I have explained you like that and if you got any queries or any doubt you can ask me.
Okay, sir. Okay, I have explained that present continuous tense. Have you got everything?
Have you got any doubt?
Have you got any doubt? Then you can ask me, or if otherwise, I will ask some question to you. Uh,
Yes, तो discuss करो ही ना साथे. Verb with ing. This is continuous tense. So you need to use verb with ing. Okay.
okay, thank you. Then can you give me the definition of present continuous? What you learned by me? How's my how
How is my
How is my presentation?
How
How
is-
can I explain?
how have you learned
How
about my
learned about
presentation?
my
ऐसे आएगा.
my mind?
आपने मेरे presentation से क्या सीखा? What have you learned by my presentation?
what have you learned by my presentation? Can I explain it?
चलो एक काम करो कोई क्या सीखा हो मत बताओ इनका प्रेजेंटेशन आपको कैसे लगा इसके बारे में बताओ चलो यस दिया फर्स्ट यू क्या गुड ऐसे गुड में अच्छो वो क्या लगा आपको क्या गुड लगा
Teachers in detail.
ओके आपको क्या लगा आप बताइए जस्ट यू कहो
And then
बोलो सामने देखो आप बोलो
yes, sir.
लाउडली जरा
Yes, sir. He explained it.
ओके यस व्हाट डू यू थिंक
Yeah, your presentation is pretty good. You need to be into some things, just maintain your body language first. And when you write down something on the blackboard, speak with us, please speak with audience, okay? And use completely. That stage is yours. Don't be fair. whatever in your mind, explain it slowly, slowly. Okay, and otherwise you're pretty good at the moment.
Thank you. Thank you.
ओके चलो good. अभी कौन जा रहा है? आप जा रहे हो? Let's go and explain.
I can't explain.
Why? You are comfortable or not?
No.
What's happened with you?
I was suffering from illness from some days. That's why I'm not talking.
So right now you are not explaining. चलो ओके अभी आप जाओ. हाँ? You want us to go? I will go. ठीक है. बट तो थोड़ा प्रिपरेशन करो
Yes.
और बी रेगुलर.
Yes.
Okay.
And so what to do?
Repeat is like what you learned. You learned how many things you learned. Continuous or what you learned.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
So tomorrow actually I'm not going to your class because this Sunday actually I have called to another student. That is based on
Again, I have holiday tomorrow.
tomorrow you have to holiday.
Okay, so
ठीक है. मेरे कुछ दूसरे स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं.